Welcome customers from Kenya to EagerLED and take them to visit our LED screen aging workshop. The workshop is well equipped, and workers are busy at their respective posts, showing an efficient production process. LED screens are displayed in various forms and sizes, from small and exquisite to magnificent, all showing our diverse production capabilities. Our staff patiently introduces the production process of LED screens to customers. From the selection of raw materials to the testing of finished products, every link is carefully designed and strictly controlled. We pay attention to every detail to ensure that the product quality reaches the best level. We will continue to work hard to provide customers with more advanced and reliable products and services, and work with them to create a bright future for the LED display industry.